Hello there. I want to share with you some beautiful products I got from DecoArt. These are the new line of matte metallics. They're gorgeous. And this is also another matte metallic. And these are the new Purine Mix and Clear Purine Top Coat. Today we're going to test the Purine Medium, and at another video we're going to test the Top Coat. So let's get started. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using today: Phthalo Blue, Yellow Green Light, Vermillion Hue, and Cobalt Teal Hue, and Americana Titanium White. Okay, so I'm mixing the Purine Medium, and I'm going to add it slowly because I want to have a specific consistency, and I've not tried this, and that's probably too much. I will know right away if it's too much. I put about 2 parts of the Purine Medium. This is the first time that I use this Purine Medium, so I yet doesn't know how much to put, but let's see. I am going to, it's very liquid, so it goes very fast inside the cup. It's so liquid, I may use a dropper to add the next amount in here. It may not be, I will add a tiny bit with a dropper, but I'm going to be careful because I don't have too much of the orange. So I'm going to keep adding about 2 parts of the Purine Medium and 1 part of paint, and I will be right back. I'm going to add a small amount of the gloss medium to the white because it's not a premium color. It doesn't have the luster that the premium color has. So just a small amount in there. Small amount of the gloss medium will also help the titanium white have the same consistency as the others. Now I'm going to go to the additives, and today I'm using Dimethicone 500, and I'm just going to put 1 drop on each of the colors, including the white. 1 drop. And I'm going to mix it, but 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's get started. And I have an 8x8 canvas today, so I'm going to use a 5 ounces cup. So we're going to do a flip cup. And I think I'm going to pinch this cup today. Well, it was too difficult to pinch. Wow. Beautiful colors, beautiful DecoArt colors. Wow, it has so many cells already, and I have not torched. It is incredible. I have to show you how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. So many cells already, and I have not torched it. It's wonderful, wonderful. Maybe I should do it without torching, but nah, let's torch. Let's torch one more time. One time. Nothing too much came with the torching because it already was with a lot of cells. So let's start moving it. It is gorgeous, 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 and it only has the medium and the Dimethicone. Now let's see what's gonna happen when we start moving. Look at that, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. See if we can make it justice. I don't want to lose that. It is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, let's do something. And bring colors from here to the corners. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you were looking for a perfect pouring medium, this is it. And you just need one. You don't need to add anything else to it. Let's take with a palette knife some of these cells and put them in here. Wow, it is so gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I want to do more, but I just came from work and I am tired. But I had this package waiting for me outside my door, and I wanted to show it to you. Okay, so we're gonna put all that out. Let's just do that. Let's move this gorgeous pour. That way and this way. Wow, I'm losing it and I don't want to lose it because it is so pretty. But we cannot leave it too thick, and it is too thick right now. Because then it cracks and it will not be because of the wonderful pouring mix that they sent. I just need this one to overflow that one. Wow, I'm losing gorgeous things, but I have to lose them. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna torch again. Now, my only regret, it was not using a larger canvas with this beautiful paint. It was so much paint and it was so beautiful, and my canvas was so tiny because I had not tried it first, and I wanted to try in something small just to begin, and I regret it. I really regret it. But when you try it, use a large canvas. Let's bring whatever needs to pop from there. And let's take a picture so that we can show people how pretty is this. This is a wonderful, 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 wonderful medium. Please come back for more. Have a wonderful day. And we're gonna do another one with the leftover paints, and I'm gonna try to put them together. See if I'm gonna try to put less this time. Let me mix a tiny bit more of the white. To fill a 7 ounces cup this time. Let's see. Checking if the colors are still good, and they're not, so I'm gonna add a tiny bit more of the medium. Okay, let's get started, and we're gonna start with the white. So this is a 10 by 10 canvas, and we have less paint in here. But let's see what's gonna happen. We never know. Waiting a tiny bit until that paint goes down. Then I'm gonna open it fast. It is so pretty. I don't know if I have a, probably took a 12 by 12. I don't know. We'll see. We're testing to see what happens when you stretch those cells, okay? So that's what we're testing. Even the cup is gorgeous. Look at the cup. Oh my God, let's see if you can see it. Look at the cells that come from the cup. In here, that's from the cup. Even that has cells. And I have not torched. So if you don't like torching, you don't need to torch with this medium. Taking all the paint from this cup. Okay. No need to torch, because what comes from the torching is not enough. It already have come out. So let's see what's gonna happen when I start spreading it. It is so pretty that I don't wanna do anything with it, but I have to. But it is so pretty. I have to do it, even though I like better that area, but I have to spill it. Let's just spill it and see what's gonna happen. And now that we know how good it is, we'll do something better next time. One more corner to go. That's it. That's it. Just cleaning the edges. This time it was the leftover paints. And always when it's leftover paints, I add more medium, so I dilute it more. So it always is like this, even when I do other mediums, because I don't like to waste paints, and I like to mix new batches of paint every time that I do painting. So when I do leftover paints, they're always more liquid, but it's fabulous. So many cells, even though it was very liquid. It is very pretty, very pretty, very pretty. So I highly recommend you get this. Next time I will mix for a larger canvas, but I was gonna try it only one time because when I arrived home from work, I had this wonderful package from DecoArt with this new premium medium and the top coat and the metallic paints, and I wanted to try them. So please buy it. DecoArt is a wonderful company. They do wonderful products, and this is just another example of it. Well, thank you for joining me. Please come back for more. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.